in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby,
what are you doing?
Don't push this button.
Okay, well you do that. I'm gonna go see Indy. I'm gonna go see Indy.
Oh, I need you to hold it.
What are we doing? You're gonna weed whack?
No.
No. There you are. Can I go now?
Yeah.
Goodbye. Indy. Not even phased? Our apple tree is gonna get apples this year. I think, I don't remember. Come here, Indy. Indy. Come here. We had to put more grass seed here. Hello, silly. Hey, hey, hey. Come here. Hey.
Indy.
Are we gonna get apples this year, Jay? Or did we do them last year?
No, we're getting oranges.
We're getting oranges, Indy. Come on. Back. Go potty. Indy. Come here. Come here. Come here. I love you. Alright, you guys, so it's dinner time. I'm gonna make this the bird's eye chicken stir fry. I scanned it in and it is 6 points for 2 cups. So that's quite a lot. I'll show you guys what a serving is and everything. This one looks so good. We just got done in the garden. It is already 8:20 and we are starving. So I'm going to quickly throw this in the pan. It literally takes 2 minutes. I mean, not actually, but you just throw it in a pan, warm it up, and it's done. It's so simple, so easy, so low in points. Highly, highly, highly recommend. So you just stick it in a pan, put 1/3 cup of water in, and then these are like the little sauce things. Let me show you. And they just melt down. So you just bring it to a boil. Indy's crying because Jason's outside messing with her with the hose. And then all you do is bring it to a boil and then put a lid on it for like 15 minutes or whenever it's done. And boom, a dinner in 20 minutes. Super simple. Let me show you what it looks like all done, and I'll plate up and stuff and show you guys. It's so good. I really like this one. This was really good. I paired it with a Caesar salad. And then that was, I believe, just 1 cup. So I went back and had another cup, but it's really filling and super good. I'd highly recommend this bird's eye one. So we're off to go get some cookies for this weekend. Are you so excited?
Can't read while you talk.
What are you reading? Jason, you can't say that on my channel. What are you reading?
You say that on your channel. Like how Tiffany likes long walks on the beaches.
We're gonna be imposters. My grandma watches my channel though, so we can't be imposters. We have to make real cookies now.
Here's boobies.
Ew! Anyways, I was telling them that I was going to try to vlog this weekend, but I always get nervous in front of people to vlog, don't I?
Yep.
I get shy. It's almost like people are like, why? I feel like everybody does it nowadays anyways. Not really. Normal people don't share their lives, do they? I'm normal.
I'm normal. I don't show my life.
You're not normal. You never share anything.
Yeah.
You don't even post on anything.
That's normal.
Nowadays, everybody posts everything. Whatever. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Don't forget why we're having Memorial Day weekend. It's not just a long weekend. Remember why we're celebrating. So, hello you guys. Sorry I'm looking crazy. Hi Jack, say hi, give me hugs. We actually just got up a little bit ago. We got home from the weekend. I'll throw in some pictures right here. we had a really fun weekend. It was much needed, and I just wanted to talk about, like, I had a s'mores. Oops. Like, I had a s'more, and like, I lived my life. I had my plate of food. It was so worth it. I feel like I used to, like, at the beginning of my journey, like, fear going places and not want to go because, like, how am I gonna track my day? But there's just a time and place for it. I need to remember as well that you don't need to track everything that goes in your mouth sometimes. Like, we weren't meant to live to track and, like, do all that for the rest of our life. So make sure it's a lifestyle, and then just go back to normal the next day, which I am. I'm actually currently making some ice for some iced coffee. I still have ice in the freezer, but I just like to keep up on it, and then I just put it in a baggie because our ice machine here doesn't actually work. We need like a filter and stuff, and I don't know, we just got an ice machine. I got one for Christmas, so that's what we do. I'm gonna show you guys. This is a large, extra large from Target. The brand, let's see if the brand's on here because I ordered it online, so I don't know. You can just look it up. I'll put a link in the bio down, or in my description box down below, and you guys can just shop it there if you want it. But this is what it looks like. It's big and oversized, so I feel like any size that you are, get your, like, I don't know, I feel like this would be like a XXX almost, but it is oversized, so it looks promising, let's just say the least. I might order another one, I don't know. We'll see how this one fits, but I love the tongue, like, super cute. Okay, you guys, here's my dinner. So I have some tuna noodle, the hamburger helper one, I believe, yeah. And then I have a side of I have a side of a bowl. Just some romaine lettuce, some Parmesan cheese. This is the cheese. And then my favorite Caesar salad dressing. Thank you, Jay. The Lighthouse. Super good. I just have a tablespoon there.
And then some pepper in it.
Yeah, and then I just added some pepper and a little bit of salt. Yeah, I had a bowl and a plate out for you already. Silly goose. Alright, I'm gonna go chow mao. Just kidding. I'm gonna go chow, and I'm starving. It is, what time is it? It is 8:10 p.m.